Marhay na banggi mga kasurog. Good evening basketball fans. Muli nagbabalik ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Hatid sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa. And we welcome you all sa ating Sipokot Municipal Covered Court para sa ating Bigatin Quarterfinals. Para sa ating unang laro, laban ng Milaor versus Powerhouse Naga City. And partner, pasadahan naman natin ang ating mga nakapasok sa ating second round. Kumbaga tinatawag natin itong mga bigatin. And para sa bracket A, ang mga teams na nakapasok ay ang Lupi, Milaor, Naga, Sangay, and Dabua.
On the other bracket naman, partner, we have Team Del Gallego, San Fernando, Kamaligan, Goa, and Iriga. Partner, these are the top 10, eliminating 26 formidable teams. Therefore, these top 10 are extraordinary, kaya tinawag na bigatin, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, ito yung top two teams sa per district na nakapasok and maglalaban para sa ating kampyonato. And partner, bago natin makalimutan, magpakilala muna tayo. Ako si John Bachiller, ang inyong play-by-play analyst at your service.
At ako naman, si Angelo Espinosilia, ang inyong basketball analyst sa larong ito.
And partner, bago tayo dumako sa ating laro, tingnan muna natin kung ano ang pwedeng gawin ng mga teams in order for us, for them to win this ball game. And syempre, lalong-lalo na sa Milaor, na alam naman natin na powerhouse team ang Naga City. Tingnan natin kung ano ang pwedeng gawin ng Milaor in order for us, for them to defeat Naga City.
Tamang-tama, partner, no? For those who just tune in, Naga is still undefeated, and to say they are the crowd and tournament's favorite. So mukhang mahirap ang pagdadaanan ng Team Milaor, no? They will be facing psychological pressure, no? So they have to focus and emphasize in creating intricate tactics and strategies. Of course, they have to strengthen their mental resilience and of course, no, their coordination. Kasi partner, despite the Naga being the powerhouse, no, despite these challenges, specifically in the height advantage, underdogs can still rise on the occasion and surprise everyone. No? In any kind of sports, upsets can happen anytime, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Siyempre, dito sa ating liga, hindi natin alam kung sino talaga ang magagaling at matitikas na teams na pwede magkampyonato sa atin. And partner, di tayo makukumpleto sa ating panel kung wala ang ating napakaganda at napaka-sexy courtside reporter na si Jessa para kapanayamin ang mga coaches ng both teams. Jessa, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Good evening, Coach John and Coach Jalo. And of course, good evening, mga kasorog. This is your Ako Bicol Cup, Day 3 of quarterfinals dito sa probinsya ng Camarines Sur. Matapos nga ang napakainit na elimination round, panibagong bakbakan na naman ang ating matutunghayan mula sa ating bigatin para sa ikatlong araw ng quarterfinals sa live na live dito lang sa Sipokot Municipal Covered Court. So now here with me are the coaches of Team Naga and Milaor, Coach Gab De Vera and Coach Dennis Medina. So good evening po to both of you, Coach. So let's start with you po, Coach Gab of Team Naga. Kamusta naman po ang quarterfinals so far, considering that this is your second game already, having one win standing?
So far, so good. After our win last Thursday, we, the staff, plus the team and the management, we rallied together. We talked about on what the do's and don'ts on what we're going to do the next game. And for now, we're trying to focus on taking one game at a time. And we're just basically going to focus on the things that we can control going forward.
And for sure, Team Naga has so much to offer, especially now that we are in another level of the competition, as well as, of course, with the Team Milaor. So how about you, Coach? What are the adjustments po na ginawa nyo after a tough loss against Team Lupi?
Well, nung last game, nagkulang kami sa box out nun. Masisipag ang mga Tagalupi. So, this time, sabi ko sa mga player ko, this time, ibuhos nyo, lahat magsipag kayo, box out all the time, lahat dapat balik agad sa depensa. So, yun ang adjustment namin to give their best, slightly on defense.
Ayan, thank you for that, Coach. And thank you also, Coach Gab, for that. So kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo mga kasoroga? Libre lang na mapapanood ang game for tonight dito sa Sipokot Municipal Covered Court. At para naman sa mga malalayo, don't worry, sit back and relax because we are also live at Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Online TV at Ako Bicol YouTube channel. So once again, this is Jasmine Navales and I'll be back for more updates. So back to you, Coach John and Coach Jalo.
Maraming salamat, Jessa, sa report on both teams. And syempre, partner, bago tayo dumako sa ating laro, meron tayong mga kasurog matchups. And syempre, tingnan natin yung mga stats nila sa kanilang previous games.
Alright, highlighting two players from Naga and Milaor. No, starting with Jerome Almario or aka Mr. Hang Time as compared to Kashmir Hubert Bare, number 29, the Swiss. So tingnan natin no, on comparing their 2 points average partner, Jerome Almario versus Sangay had difficulty on creating points under the paint while attacking on the paint is the highlight of Bare against Lupi last game. However, bumawi si Jerome Almario on shooting from beyond the arc. So 88% no, that's no joke partner in terms of shooting from long distance as compared to the 29% of Bare. So there's a difference in their attacking strategy. However, when it comes to their free throws, relatively accurate. Parehas si Bare at si Almario, gaining 76 and 59% in their last game. When it comes to their assist, rebounds, and average points, halos no, magkapareho lang ang kanilang statistics. And no joke ang 20 points partner when it comes to an average points of a single player.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talagang hindi talagang napakalaking averages ng both players na yan. And syempre, meron naman tayong yung mga stats nila during the elimination round. Tingnan natin, partner, kung anong meron.
Tingnan natin ang on-screen, ang average 2-point shots ng both teams. No, they are relatively close with each other. However, no, as we were mentioning a while ago, there's a big difference in their 3-point average. Now, despite Naga having the Giants, they also have their shooters. Kaya merong 70% average 3-point shooting ang Naga as compared to the 33% of Milaor. Comparing their offensive and defensive rebounds, they are very close as well as the assist and the steals. However, ito ang highlight ng Team Naga. Having 4 Giants on their team, they have an average of 4.0 blocks, partner. Napakatinding depensa ng Naga against Sangay.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga napakalaki. And syempre, abangan natin kung anong magiging kaganapan sa ating laro ngayong gabi.
Tama, partner. So, ayan na, wag na nating patagalin pa. While these numbers and the statistics don't lie, tingnan natin ang unpredictability ng laro. So, tinatawagan na natin ang ating game arena announcer na si JV para i-introduce ang ating mga players. JV, the floor is yours.
Marhay na mag-ibang kasurog! This is the day 37 of Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Zaldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List, katabang kasurog pa. We welcome you everyone inside the Municipal Covered Court of Sipokot for our double-header matchups in our quarterfinals. For our first game, we will be having Team Milaor versus Team Naga. All the starters. Let's first start with the Team Milaor. Point guard number 29, Kashmir Bare. Shooting guard number 15, Julius Vargas. Small forward number 13, James Razon. Power forward number 24, Nino Sumayao. Center number 7, Senet Bermastapur. And the head coach of Team Milaor, Mr. Dennis Medina. And for the starters for Team Naga, we have point guard number 1, Alexander Lim. Shooting guard number 22, Bang Sablaon. Small forward number 17, Jojo Asuel. Power forward number Julius Ibusho. And the center number 26, Jamil Ulawan. The head coach of Team Naga, Mr. Lucky Sabio. And officials for this ball game are Crew Chief Edmond Paron, number 1 Edgar Paron, and number 2 Bunana Chivasera. This is your Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Atito!
And again, once again, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good evening, basketball fans. Laban ng Naga City versus Team Milaor.
Alright, and we have the first tip off. Taken away by Naga, yet intercepted by Milaor.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. And donning the light jerseys ang mga taga Milaor. And completing the lineup is Bare, Vargas, Razon, Nino Sumayaw, and number 7 na si Bermas. And sa Naga City, si Sablaon, Asuer, Tiburcio, Bulawan, and Lim. And partner, this matchup is very interesting. Knowing yung mga guards dito is naglalaban-laban during their stint in collegiate ngayon.
Tama, I think Team Naga is a combination of guards from Ateneo and NCF. And on the other hand, ito din NCF players din ang nandito sa guards ng Milaor.
Tama ka dyan. And then on the other hand, ayan na pa. And in out yung tira ni Razon and Jamil Bulawan grabs the rebound. And si Bang Sablaon against Kashmir Bare.
And they're struggling to look for their first point.
Yes, ayan na si Alexander Lim looking for his teammates. Gives the ball to Tiburcio. Kicks it out to Bang Sablaon for 3. Wala. Rebound ng veteran na si Julius in outlets. Ayan na si Kashmir Bare. And one plus the foul. Grabe. Yun naman, partner. A good recognition on the part of Julius Vargas finding his open teammate na si Kashmir Bare na nangunguna and finishes that layup with a foul.
Tama, and very good burst in the footwork of Bare. That is brought to you by, of course, Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island. Napakagandang breakaway run ni Kashmir Bare. A 3-point play created in the first 2 minutes of the game.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Kashmir Bare completes his 3-point play. And one thing I've noticed, partner, hindi pa umuupo ang Team Naga. Kasi I guess hindi pa sila nakaka-score. So tingnan natin kung hanggang ilang minuto. And Bang Sablaon gives the ball to What a cut by Bang Sablaon and scores for 2. And that is the cue para umupo na ang ating Team Naga.
Napakagandang signature ng Team Naga supporting their teams, no? Parang energy ball. No, kulang na lang itaas yung kamay para makapuntos.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ito si Nidio Sumayaw, medyo mapapalaban sa ating big man na si Jamil Bulawan.
Yeah, napakagandang sayaw, no? Kaso hindi na ipasok ang bola.
Ayan na, Lim. Back pass ni Bang Sablaon, tumama sa paa ni Julius Tiburcio and a turnover on the part of Naga City.
Okay, and this is usually happening in the very beginning of the game, no? Nagwa-warm up pa ang team. Nagko-connectahan pa sila, kinakapa ang board at ang rim to get their momentum.
Tama ka dyan, partner, especially. Ayan, napakagandang spin na pinakita ni Kashmir and he attacks and drops it up to Bermas, but there is Julius Tiburcio with the rejection. Grabe. Tiburcio saves the day for Naga City on that sequence.
Tama. Here's the statistics showing off, no, with an average of 4-point block for their last game.
Tama ka dyan, Vargas with the medium range jumper and misses the shot. Jamil Bulawan grabs the second rebound but intercepted. Nakuha ni Nino Sumayaw ang bola at the top of the key. Tumira ng 3. Iron set rebound by Bang Sablaon. Bang gives the ball to Lim. Asuer din niya nakita. Crosses Orc. Ayan na si Asuer against Bare. Dinahandahan with the lefty layup. Nakakuha ng foul. Very crafty move. Medyo mabagal pero very effective sa loob ng court.
No? The right and the left hand connection ni Asuer against 2.
Yes, partner, kita mo. Nakita mo yung front court ng Naga City talaga. Talagang very big talaga with the likes of Tiburcio and Bulawan. And syempre, yung mga veterans na si Bermas and si Sumayaw hindi rin magpapuli on the part of Milaor.
Tama. But I think they will try to attempt from the outside line and burst, no? Kasi nandito yung mga giants ng Team Naga. So they will try to create quick, fast breaks and burst into the paint to get their scores.
Tama ka dyan. Ayan ulit si Kashmir Bare, heavily guarded ni Alexander Lim. And he calls for a screen. Ayan na, what a back cut by Razon. And an easy 2 on the part of James Razon. What a recognition on the part of Kashmir Bare.
Milaor is leading with 2 points, no, despite being the underdogs. Ito na yung sinasabi nating unpredictability ng laro.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, this is anybody's ball game ngayon, second round talaga. Alam naman natin yung mga top 2 teams ng each district talaga naglalaban-laban sa ating prestiyosong kampyonato.
And good snatch by Team Milaor there, but it was retrieved by Naga. Lim now, quick pass, drops the dime to the big man.
And with a slam at Jama, bigay sa atin ng big man ng Naga City na si Jamil Bulawan.
And that was brought to you by, of course, Hotel St. Elise. Thank you sa ating mga sponsors.
Yan, partner talaga. Yun na nga, a shot was a dunk. Kaya kumbaga baka mabuhayan ang Team Naga City. Yan na si Bermas with the offensive rebound. Gives the ball to the veteran Sumayaw.
And Vargas now asking for a screen. Vargas attacks the paint. Heavily guarded by 2. There's a disadvantage in the height, so he looked for someone. But there's only 1 second to shoot. No, ano kayang gagawin nila dito? With this remaining 1 second, are they going to make the point or the defense of Naga will still show up?
And buntik na makabuslo ang Milor doon. Good pass on Julius Bargat, but Bermas did not finish the shot. And ayan na si Bang Sabloon.
Traveling violation.
A costly mistake, no? Supposedly an opportunity for them to gain the advantage against Team Milaor. But traveling violation was called. Now Vargas inbounding ito Bare. Bare, no, sa kabilang court pa lang binabantay na ni Lim, no? Showing respect to this good player of Team Milaor.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, isa sa mga notable players. And then, what a pass again. But there is Jamil Bulawan again, blocking the shot of sure 2 points na sana yun, partner. Pero, partner, very good start on the part of Bare. Even though he is heavily guarded, kumbaga, binibigay niya or nakikita niya ang kanyang mga open teammates. And this is a pass for a possible 2-point shot.
Tama, no? This is a product of experience. Grabe yung game awareness ni Bare. While dribbling the ball and preparing to defeat his guard, alam niya kung nasaan yung teammate niya at alam niya kung saan dapat ipasa. No, a very good player indeed.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And as we take a look, Corazon misses the first shot. Ganun, tingnan mo, partner, I've noticed, meron tayong substitution na part of Team Naga. Linabas si Banglaon, Sablaon, and pinasok si Joey Medinilla. Grabe pare, yung luxury, ang lineup ng Naga ang meron sila.
Tama, they are banking on their height advantage, no? And their strong offense and defense in terms of height. So, tingnan natin kung magandang epekto ng ginawang substitution ni Coach Luki.
And meron tayong 3-pointer galing kay Alexander Lim. A corner 3 hatid sa atin ng Hotel Venecia.
Looking for revenge now, Milaor.
Yan na si Havana against Julius Tiburcio. Pinadaan sa kilikili at muntik nang makakuha ng 3-point play. That is a very patient move on the part of Habana.
And you have to commend, no, Habana facing a giant. No, he became the slasher there, no, spinning and kicking.
Tama ka dyan, partner, talaga against a very tall and very big defender na si Julius Tiburcio.
Tama, and it requires mental toughness. Kasi kung ako, ipapasa ko agad yun, knowing there's a wall in front of me.
Tama ka dyan, ayan na, si take a look, Owe Medinilla, who is suffering during the first game ng second round natin. Hindi siya naka-civilian clothes siya kasi hindi siya available that time kasi nga he suffered a sprained ankle daw during their practice. So ayan, kakabalik lang ni Owe and tingnan natin kung anong ang magiging adjustments and laro na ipapakita ni Owe.
Tama, after nursing his injury for a long time, he added to the physical advantage of Team Naga.
Ayan na si Azuer, heavily guarded by Habana. Azuer gives the ball to Jamil Bulawan. Owe, corner 3, fakes. He takes the 3 and makes the 3-point shot. Grabe.
And yan yung parang sinasabi mong swerte talaga ang ibang tao in terms of skill.
Tama dyan, partner. And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. Grabe, partner, yung tira niya Owe Medinilla. Over the outstretched arms pa ng defenders na si Julius Vargas.
Tama, usually the big man are attacking the paint pero Medinilla showing that he can do it inside and outside.
And partner, forcing the issue is Julius Vargas. Sayang nakawala na siya but he did not finish the shot. Ayan na si Razon attacking Tiburcio. What a courageous move on the part of Razon.
Grabe talaga, you have to commend the underdogs in facing and attacking these giants of Team Naga.
And tama ka yan, ayan na si Owe Medinilla with a corner 3 again. Wala. Julius Vargas grabs the rebound. Outlets to Razon. Razon flies but misses the shot. Ayan na si Lim. Medinilla.
Looking for someone.
Fake pass and a steal by the veteran Julius Vargas. Ayan na si Vargas. 2 against 3. Stops and pops.
Grabe,
And-
pull-over jumper yun, no? But didn't connect.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Medyo struggling on the first part ng ating first quarter ang veteranong si Julius Vargas.
And if I'm not mistaken, no, Julius Vargas was a previous teammate of the head coach of Team Naga.
Tama
No?
ka dyan, tama. Ganon ka-competitive si Julius Vargas. He is playing pa competitive
Despite the age,
basketball.
no?
Despite the age talaga, he is here at Ako Bicol Cup playing very competitive basketball.
Tama, and that goes to show that basketball is not just for the young, no, but for everyone.
Yes, partner, speaking of ages, meron tayong player dito from, I guess, San Fernando who is 55-year-old talaga. Kumbaga, he's playing talaga, kumbaga, very, kumbaga, condition pa siya and still playing in a high level of basketball.
And that's why we are promoting the game, no, to everyone and bringing it. No, thank you kay Congressman Saldico at sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Yes,
bringing the game to everyone.
Tama ka dyan. And ayan na, meron tayong substitution. Pinasok na ang mga speedsters, ang mga pesky guards ng Team Naga City with the likes of Villaflor and Almario. Siyempre, ang isa sa mga ating mga leading scorers si Jerome Almario.
Yan, tingnan natin, no, if the burst strategy will pay off for Team Naga.
Ayan na si Medinilla against the smaller Quidoles. Kicks it out to Villaflor for 3. No good. Rebound by Sam Adredano. Grabe, partner, yung offensive rebound. And the putback on the part of Sam Adredano.
Tama, very high flyer to si Madridano.
Yes, I've seen him play. He is a product of Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights under Coach Nuki. Ayan naman si Bare with the medium range jumper and swishes the 2.
Yan, trying to cut off the lead and showing their prowess as well.
Yes, with exactly 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter, the score is 10-15, lamang ang Naga City.
What a
And-
good spin!
Yes, tama ka dyan, a good spin. And announcing his presence is the veteran also, a veteran center from Albay na si Aymar Sabayo.
So napakainit na bakbakan mga kaibigan ang hatid sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Cup. So punta na kayo dito.
Yes,
Kung taga Sipokot po kayo.
Yan, tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga punta kayo dito sa ating venue. Pero bago nating papuntahin ang ating mga fans, puntahan muna natin ang ating magandang courtside reporter na si Jessa. Jessa, magandang gabi. Take it away.
Well, thank you, Coach John and Coach Jallo. Both teams started the game aggressively with a good defense. Kung matatandaan nga natin, this is the second game already for both teams, having one win advantage by the Team Naga and one lose by a Team Milaor. Kaya ganun na lang nila pinaghandaan ang kani-kanilang diskarte pagdating sa depensa. So that's the latest from the court side. Back to you, Coach John and Coach Jallo.
Maraming salamat, Jessa, sa update sa ating mga teams and partner. I've noticed talagang unti-unti nang napupuno ang ating venue dahil sa napakagandang Sipokot Municipal Covered Court talaga. If you're free and walang ginagawa, pwede kayo bubisita, may mga upuan pa ng konti. And syempre, kung wala ka dito sa venue, pwede nating
Mapanood ang ating live game sa Ako Bicol Online TV sa Facebook at sa FB page ni Rep. Zaldico, ni Congressman Saldico. Live na live din tayo for a clear view sa YouTube channel which is our Ako Bicol Cup. So panoorin niyo po kami sa ating mga social media. Pa-like na din, pa-follow, and pa-share.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Maraming salamat talaga. Yun na lang, pa-like and pa-share na lang talaga. Ayan na si Quidoles attacking the defense of Naga City. Ayan na si Bare, corner 3. Kaboom! Grabe, partner talaga. Since the last outing o last game nila talagang Bare is shooting the lights out talaga. Kumbaga, he gained his confidence coming from a loss pero still Bare is determined to win against this powerhouse Naga City.
Tama, and parang narinig tayo ni Bare, no? Kasi medyo mababa yung 3-point average niya last game. So baka dito, ipakita niya ang prowess niya from shooting long distances.
Yes. Speaking of 3-point shots, ang ating siguro leading 3-point field goal king dito sa ating liga na si Jerome Almario announcing his presence with that top of the key 3 na si Bare against Madridano. With the hook, Mintes.
And tama si Jerome Almario, no? One of the rising point guards in Naga City.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, he is a future when it comes to Camarines Sur basketball.
But yeah, speaking of the devil, there's a foul called on him.
Natawagan, wag na natin batiin. Baka talagang kasalanan pa natin kung nag-commit ng foul sa isang player. And with 14 seconds remaining sa ating shot clock, with 47 seconds sa ating first quarter. Ayan na si Razon
Tingnan
against the
natin.
much taller Medinilla. Casulla against Almario. Jimenez gives the ball to Quidoles and
That's a 24 shot clock violation, partner.
Naputukan ng 24-second shot clock violation. Ang Team Milaor, grabe, that is a good defense on the part of Naga City.
Tama, no? Showing their dominance and prowess on defense.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre, dapat, ayan na si Almario again with the 3. Short rebound ni Jimenez gives the ball to Casulla. Casulla, momentarily intercepted ni Jerome. Ayan na si Habana, kinukulong ng 2 tao.
Grabe
Casulla,
ang depensa ng Naga.
pull-up jumper, Mintis. And the ball was stopped by Villaflor and the ball will go to Team Naga.
And, I think it was awarded to Team Milaor, partner. So there's 12 seconds remaining. So they have to utilize and maximize the remaining time because shot clock is already off.
Ayan na si Casulla, baseline jumper, Mintis. Quidoles with the offensive rebound and was blocked by Aymar Sabayo.
But still, the ball is rewarded to Team Milaor. So they still have 3.4 seconds to make the shot and lessen the advantage of Team Naga. So tingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nila dito, partner.
Tama ka dyan. And tingnan natin kung sino ang kukuha ng bola and to take the last shot for our first quarter.
I think Barre will shoot from long distance. Pero tingnan natin kung ano yung strategy ang gagawin ng Team Milaor. So again, while we are having some discussion on the referees table, so ini-invite po namin kayo na manood dito sa Sipokot Municipal Covered Court. So may mga spaces pa po tayo and nais po namin pasalamatan ng mayor at ang mga tao dito sa Sipokot, despite not being their team playing, they're still supporting.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na. Jimenez inbounding the ball, gives the ball to Razon. Razon with 2 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Hindi niya alam and that is muntik na pumasok and that ends, ladies and gentlemen, our first quarter with a score of 20-13 lamang Naga City. Partner, thoughts on that first quarter?
Of course, napakagandang depensa ang pinakita as expected sa Team Naga. Pero we have to commend the Team Milaor. Despite being the underdogs, as we kept on saying, medyo napakaganda ng kanilang ipinakita ngayong unang quarter. Barre shooting in and out the court and of course with the presence of the veteran si from Milaor, si
Julius Vargas.
Vargas yan. Sorry, nakalimutan ko yung
Tama ka dyan,
pangalan.
partner, talaga Julius Vargas. Kumbaga, he is a gem pagdating sa Milaor team because even though he's not scoring in the last quarter talaga, he is there to spearhead or to lead these young guns of Team Milaor.
Tama, on the side of Naga naman, partner, maganda yung pinakita, pinasok muna yung mga Giants to show their dominance inside the court, parang as if saying, we are a wall and you cannot penetrate. And then enters the 5 minutes of the game, pinasok na yung mga runner and shooter, showing that we can play both defense and offense for this game. So tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari ngayong second period, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And then, tama ka dyan, yung mga adjustments will be made for sure. Kasi para sa ating mga leading scorers sa first quarter, on the side of Milaor, nangunguna si Kashmir Barre with 8 points and 4 rebounds. And on Naga City,
meron naman dito si Bulawan with 4 points, 4 rebounds, and 1 block, followed by Lim with 3 points, 4 rebounds, and 1 steal. So again, showing their dominance in terms of physical advantage.
and that shot is brought to you by James Razon talaga. Grabe, well defended by Uwe Mendinila but still drains the rainbow shot.
And that 3-point is brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagaray Island, partner.
And Mendinila gustong gumante, misses the shot. Rebound de Razon. Razon passes to Casulla. Loses the ball, gives the ball to Razon again. Jimenez at the top of the key. Hands it off sa kanyang kakampiyan na si Razon with 13 seconds na nalalabi sa kanilang shot clock. Razon gives the ball to Casulla again. Casulla. What a pass. And number 12 na si Jason Jimenez. What a good two-man game on the part of Milaor.
Tama, and that's a 2-0 run for the first minute of the second quarter. Kailangan bumawi ng Team Naga dito.
Tama dyan, partner. Si Uwe Mendinilla. Fakes, gives the ball to Jerome Almario. Almario,
Heavily
double
guarded.
team. Ayun na si Almario, squeaks. Grabe naman yun, partner, talaga. Sabi niya, heavily guarded ako sa ibabaw and lulusot ako dahil dito mas madali.
Dancing and prancing against 4 opponents.
Ayan na si Razon. Gives the ball to Habana against Matidano. Habana bumps. Habana attacking the defense of Sam Andredano and scores for 2.
Without fear, that's Habana against 2 Giants.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Uwe against Jimenez.
parang iniwan ni Habana yung takot sa Milaor nung pumunta siya dito.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Another turnover on the part of Naga City talaga. Sayang. Kasi this turnover is very crucial kasi medyo nagkakaroon ng run. Ayan na si Habana against Sabayo. Habana attacking Aymar Sabayo. Misses the shot. Rebound ni Habana.
Habana once again, nagbabaga si Habana!
Yes, and he was fouled and hacked by Aymar Sabayo and will troop to the line for a bonus free throw.
And this is very dangerous on the side of Naga because 2 minutes have already passed. Parang isang puntos pa lang ang kanilang naibubuslo. Edging 7 points ngayon. Deadlock na ang Team Naga against Team Milaor.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, Habana is forcing his will against the bigs of Naga City. Kaya tingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments ni Coach Nuki kasi talagang nananalasa na ang isang Habana sa ilalim.
And he make the 3-point play. So kung makikita mo, nakatayo at nag-usap-usap kanina yung tatlong coaching staff ng Naga.
Tama ka dyan. And lamang na ang Team Milaor ng 1 point. Yan si Medinilla against Jimenez. Medinilla with a baseline jumper and 1 plus the foul.
And kung kayang gawin ni Habana, sabi ni Medinilla, kaya ko rin.
Grabe yung partner. He bumped his defender and medyo pa-following pa. Malakobi Bryant natira. And he was fouled talaga.
And tingnan natin kung makukumpleto niya ang 3-point play.
Yes, meron tayong substitution on the part of Milaor. Linabas si Razon. Pinasok ang 3-point specialist ng Milaor na si Porteria. And another substitution, linabas si Madridano. Pinasok ang scoring guard na si Bang Sablaon.
So there's 2 Giants for Team Naga and 3 runners. Tingnan natin kung magiging effective ang opensa nila. Knowing
Tingnan natin si Habana, kicks it out to Porteria, misses the shot. Habana, Jimenez gives the ball to Priela. Binigay kay Porteria, in and out, rebound by Aymar Sabayo. Ayan na si Bang Sablaon, 3 against 2. Yan na naman, Sablaon, drop pass to Almario, but stolen. Stolen by number 67 na si Casulla. Porteria gives the ball to Casulla against Almario.
Napakahaba ng kamay ni Almario, Good defense on his part.
Yan na si Priela. 1-on-1 against Bang Sablaon. Muntik ng maagawan. And 5 seconds na nalalabi sa kanilang shot clock. Ang bola mananatili sa Team Milaor.
We have to highlight, partner, the good defense of Team Naga despite having only 2 Giants. Man-to-man defense agad sa napakaagang parte ng laro. 5 seconds to play. Tingnan natin kung makakabuslo ng puntos itong Team Milaor. Alright, that Sablaon steps into the line. So it was given back to Team Milaor. So grabe, ginigiit ng Naga ang depensa. 3 seconds to play. Tingnan natin.
Habana. Ayan na, Medinilla. Ayan na si Sablaon.
Sablaon out of nowhere!
All alone for 2.
Grabe naman yung parang nag-teleport.
Yes, tama.
The other side.
Ganun kabibilis. Ayan na si Porteria. Guarded by Almario. Priela with a short jumper. Misses the shot. Sabayo grabs the rebound. Gives the ball to Owe but loses the ball. Another turnover on the part of Naga City.
And with that run, Naga is now on the lead once again. Parang pinatikim lang si Milaor.
Yes,
tingnan natin if they can cut the lead in this first half.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Yung nangyari kay Uwe Mindanilla, it's a case na parang hindi pa niya nasasalo ang bola. And iniisip niya na kung anong gagawin nila. Ayan na si Villaflor.
At nagagawan nga magkakampi. It was given to Mindanilla, back to Villaflor for a dipsy-do shot. Now Milaor attacking, 2 against 3. Shoots a perimeter shot. No luck this time. Almario running like a wind. Quick pass to Mindanilla. Mindanilla on the corner. From downtown.
Pasok. Grabe
Nothing but net.
Money on the part of Uwe Mindanilla. And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Yan, maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. Baka naman, kapag bumisita po kami ng Albay,
ay
sponsoran.
Matik yan sa ating butihing commissioner, na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, who is now in Naga City. Papunta pa rin dito, bumabiyahe just to witness and watch our games talaga. Very on hand ang ating commissioner na si Lloyd Rivera.
Thank you so much, Sir Lloyd Rivera. So yan, tingnan natin kung anong adjustment ang gagawin ng Team Milaor after seeing that Team Naga can play both inside the paint and outside the paint.
Yun na nga, partner, tingnan natin kung anong magiging adjustments ng coach ng Team Milaor kasi talaga yung outside shooting Team Naga City is now talaga pumuputok. And syempre, the usual suspects ng Team Naga City, yung mga guards nila talaga, yung scoring guards nila talaga magiging problema nila sa mga susunod na minuto.
Tama, and makikita mo din yung gigil, no, ni Mendinilla inside and outside, no? Kasi mukhang ito yung unang laro niya after nursing his injury.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Medyo gigil kasi sa unang laro, hindi siya nakapaglaro because he suffered an injury sa kanilang practice. Ayan na si Bare, fresh off the bench, attacking. Bare with the right-handed layup, misses the shot. There is Dino Sumayaw with the offensive rebound. Sumayaw over Aymar. Ayan na si Priela, another veteran. Priela, blocked by Almario.
Grabe, even the guards are rejecting the shots. But that's an easy interception.
Yes.
Priela making a comeback.
Ayan si Priela. And one of the veteran front court ng Naga together with Dino Sumayaw trying to spearhead Milaor. And ayun na, Villaflor irons it. Rebound by Priela. Gives the ball to Jimenez. Bare against
once again.
Villaflor. Ayan na si Sumayaw. Spins against Aymar. And was hacked by Aymar. And I guess that is the second personal foul of Aymar Sabayo.
And I think very, very good talaga yung preparation na ginawa ng Milaor dito. Usually, matatakot kang umatake and you will throw the balls from the outside, which makes the team predictable. Pero this time, they're shooting outside and inside the court.
Tama ka dyan, pero nakakaisa din ang dalawang veteranong big man ng Milaor na with the likes of Sumayaw and Priela over the bigs ng Naga City.
And tingnan natin kung makakahabol ba sila bago matapos ang first half natin, or will Naga continue to show their dominance in this unfamiliar territory?
Tama ka dyan, partner, with exactly 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the first half. The score is 27-31 in favor of Naga City. And syempre, this Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur is brought to you by Congressman Saldico and ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa, and there is a
There's a heated action.
yes,
on,
needed action on the part of Briela and Jamil Bulawan. Medyo konting kilitian lang, partner. It is part of basketball. Kumbaga lambingan inside the court, lalong-lalo na especially yung mga big man talaga.
Showing that basketball is an intimate game. Ika nga,
Yes,
with a
tama.
slap on the ass
Tama.
after every...
Oo, sabay kahit medyo, alam naman natin may mga tactics, sabay sorry. Yun lang.
And after every end of the game, magbabarkada pa rin itong mga players. Magkakaibigan.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Talaga, tama. Kalaro nga. Sabi nga nila, kalaro, hindi kalaban talaga. And ayan na.
Sir
There,
Jack.
there is a pressure defense na ina-apply ang Naga City. Tingnan natin, si Bare, single up. There is a moving pick on the part of Briela.
Napagandang pero mukhang dinamdam niya yun, kaya lumabas siya agad without the coach. So I think nasaktan talaga doon si Villaflor.
Yes, talaga. Yan na. That is a veteran Briela for you talaga. Adding toughness sa big man ng mga taga Milaor. Ayan na si Briela. Was out rebounded by Asuer. Ayan na si Lim. Swings the ball to Aureliano. Aureliano attacks. Kicks it out to Asuer for 3.
Asuer, napagandang shooting position sana
So
yun.
good. Ayan na si Bang Sablaon. Gives the ball to Aureliano. Aureliano attacks. Squeeze in.
Grabe against all odds.
Grabe na yung partner. Pasok. And one. And we have a...
Sinayawan ng apat. Ang apat partner, pero I think there was a call there. And I didn't catch that one. No? Ano kaya yung call?
Yes.
Parang it was an offensive foul if I'm not mistaken.
Ayan na si Bare against Asuer. Bare.
And there's an off-ball action once again. Grabe. Very competitive talaga ang larong basketball. With their athleticism and physical contacts, hindi natin ito maiiwasan. And especially, nandito na tayo sa quarterfinals. Kaya, of course, you have to give all your efforts just to win the game.
Yes, medyo bad news on the part of Milaor kasi those kinds of fouls talaga hindi naman kailangan kasi that is not in the act of shooting or malayo pa sa goal. So that foul is very ill-advised. So talagang kailangan you have to be focused, lalong-lalo na kalaban mo isang powerhouse Naga City. And Bang Sablaon, kita mo, committed a traveling infraction on that. Kumbaga dancing in the wrong song. And with 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter, lamang pa rin ang Naga City ng 6 points.
Now Bare attacking the side of Naga.
Yan na si Porteria, open for 3. Misses the shot and Bang Sablaon grabs the rebound.
Lim.
Ayan na si Lim. Lim kicks it out. Azuer for 3. Wala pa rin. Ayan na si Aureliano. Grabs the offensive rebound. Aureliano, what a pass kay Lim. And grabe partner.
Napakagandang ball movement in terms of Team Naga.
Yes, tama ka dyan partner. Mind you partner, that is guards ha. Guards passing inside the paint.
Tama.
Kumbaga, that is Naga City basketball for you.
Tama, and knowing that these people are the best in their collegiate teams, nagpapaubaya talaga sila, ibinibigay kung saan mas buwelo yung player.
Tama ka dyan partner, kumbaga finding their open teammates talaga kung saan may porsyento. And there is a foul committed galing sa number 14 na si Gonowo na kakapasok lang and announcing his presence with a foul.
Tama, and with that, puntahan po muna natin partner si Jessa para sa kanyang report. Jessa, the floor is yours.
Well, thank you, Coach John and Coach Jalo. At this point, the momentum remains on Team Naga, but Team Milaor keep hustling and continue putting pressure to the ball. Kaya kung mapapansin nga natin, napakarami nga ng tinitake nila na second chance points, which only means wala silang sinasayang na pagkakataon. The way Team Milaor doubling their efforts are very visible at this period. Furthermore, the defensive rotation of both teams are very commendable. So that's the latest from the court side. Back to you, Coach John and Coach Jalo.
Thank you, Jessa. No, tama. Very accurate yung sinabi ni Jessa. Milaor is showing their dominance in the offensive rebounds despite the Giants against them.
Tama ka dyan partner, yan si Kashmir Bare and nahuli si Mon Aureliano at tinulak ang number 14 na si Gunowon. And new guy also from Milaor, binalik na ang veteran na si Julius Vargas to add siguro scoring kasi medyo kinakapos at heavily guarded ang kanilang top scorer na si Kashmir Bare.
Yeah, tingnan natin kung anong adjustments ng Naga knowing that Vargas is in the court once again. And both teams are on the penalty
Yes,
line.
tama ka dyan partner. Kumbaga lahat ng fouls na makukumit ng both teams talaga, they will troop to the line for a free throw.
Tama, kaya dito talaga makita mo na they're really eager to win this game, no? Because for Team Naga, of course, they have to win this. But for Team Milaor, this could be a glorifying moment for them if they defeated the seemingly favorite team, which is Team Naga.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga lahat ng makakalaban ng Naga City talaga ay binibigay nila kasi alam naman nila na powerhouse team. Ayan na si Asuer with the offensive rebound. Gives the ball to Bang Sablaon.
Behind the pass, back pass yun.
Ayan na si Lim against Porteria with 7 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Bang! Attacking, drops it up to Asuer for 2.
Grabe connection yun. Asuer behind the back pass sa Sablaon, and Sablaon returning it to Asuer in no time to make the shot.
Ayan na si Bare. Side steps against Jamil Bulawan. Misses the shot. Bare with a corner 3. Fakes. Porteria.
Parang binangga yung puno. Bulawan.
Ayan na si Gunowon. Grabe over the outside shot of Jamil Bulawan for 2.
Tama, and you have to adjust your shooting capability. Dapat mas tataasan mo yung angle ng shot para hindi agad na re-reject itong mga Giants natin. Very good recognition in the team Milaor.
Tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Lim. Open for 3. Attacks. And he was hacked by Nino Sumayaw. Good defense on the part of Milaor with 6 seconds remaining on the shot clock ng Naga City side.
And I can say na nag-prepare talaga ang team Milaor in facing this team. But Lim and Bulawan.
Yan na. Bulawan, sinubo na lang ang bola sa ring. And another offensive rebound on the part of Naga City. Grabe partner, those 50-50 balls talaga. Pumapabor pa rin. Ayan na si Vargas attacking.
Tingnan natin kung anong itatawag.
Grabe naman yung partner. Mga Julius Vargas imposing his will talaga. Dati as a veteran, Julius Vargas for you talaga. Nung start pa lang ng tournament talaga, tinatanong ko kasi partner, nagtanong-tanong ako kung sino yung mga noticeable players. And one of the gods in the Phenom siguro na tinuro daw ng mga kaibigan ko rito si Julius Vargas talaga.
Tama, partner. Very notable dito sa
Aces.
Kamsor si Vargas. To be, in fact, no, for the information of everyone, parang naging Dol na ang tawag sa kanya kasi idol ang tawag sa kanya. So eventually, parang nakalimutan na yung Julius, naging idol na.
Ayun na
So
nga,
si
partner.
idol, si Dol Vargas because of his prowess
Yan,
in
kita mo
this
naman
game.
partner, kailan kaya ako tatawaging Dol ng mga kasasalubong. Ngayon si Bulawan gives the ball to Lim. Lim kicks it out to Aureliano. Corner 3. No good. Rebound by Nino Sumayaw.
Idol ka naman, Sir Jan, no? In terms of commentating.
Ayan na si Sumayaw attacking the defense.
Grabe!
Grabe naman. And one on the part of Nino Sumayaw.
And kailangan mo talagang gawin lahat, no? Especially in attacking the paint para makahabol dito sa Team Naga.
Tama ka dyan, partner. That is, kumbaga yung courage ni Nino Sumayaw to attack the heart of the defense of Naga City, talaga hindi mo matatawaran.
Tama, and knowing na kanina pa bumabagsak si
Yes,
Sumayaw.
Tama ka dyan, despite his age, alam naman natin, he is a veteran na compared to this Naga City team. Talagang kudos pa rin sa pakipaglaban dito sa malalaking frontline ng Naga City.
So, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng Team Naga after that point made by Sumayaw.
Lim again, open for 3. No good. Rebound by Aureliano. Up and under. Block by Gonowon.
Medyo maalat ang 3 points ng Team Naga ngayon, so they will try to penetrate the paint.
Azuer drops it up to Bang Sablaon. Kinantihan niya ang kaninang magandang pasa na bigay sa kanya ni Bang Sablaon.
And that connection was brought to you by Highlands.
Ayan na. Kashmir Bare attacking with a floater. No good. Rebound by Azuer.
And again, Sablaon out of nowhere with an
Flies.
easy layup.
Flies and scores for 2. Yun na nga. Partner, kita mo ng body language ng Team Naga City. They are very enjoying this ball game. Alam naman natin talaga with 15 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Julius Vargas against Alexander Lim. Veteran versus this kid, Vargas. And that is Julius Vargas for you.
And
And again, si Dol Vargas will
Dol
troop to the line for 2.
Napakagandang atake nun, no? Recognizing he has to eliminate some of the players by giving them fouls.
Tama dun, partner. Nakita niya na talaga time is winding down. And hiningi niya yung bola especially, and he goes to the post against the much smaller, hindi naman smaller, but thin Osuer, and binangga niya and committed a foul. And now, he has a chance to complete his free throws.
Tama, and good mindset, no, on Team Milaor. But there's only 7.1 seconds remaining. So tingnan natin kung makakapuntos pa ang Team Naga on this remaining time.
Ayan na. Aureliano swings the ball to Sablaon for 3. No good. Tap by Jamil Bulawan. And
Grabing banggaan talaga yun.
grabe, that is kumbaga ng banggaan. The score is 44-35 in favor of Naga City. And that ends our first half. Magbabalik po kami.
problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilinwan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol. Tadakulaon ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Kami nagbabalik sa labanang Milaor versus Naga City. And partner, what a first half talaga.
Grabe, napakagandang bakbakan. And para sa kaka-tune in lang, ako nga po pala si Angelo Espinosilia, ang inyong analyst sa larong ito.
And ako naman, si John Bachiller at your service. Magandang gabi ulit sa inyo lahat. And syempre, ito ang labanang Milaor versus Naga City. Donning, para sa ating mga late tuners, tama ka, donning the blue jerseys are Naga City. And yun naman yung mga nakaputi at nakagreen ang Milaor. Completing Milaor is Bare, Habana, Razon, Sumayaw, and Vargas. And for Naga City, pero
we have Lim, Almario, Bulawan, Mendenilla, and Tiborcio.
Yes, tama dyan. And ayan na, first crack at the basket na pupunta sa Naga City. Ayan na si Lim, swings the ball to Mendenilla. Mendenilla gives the ball to Tiborcio. Baseline jumper. Mintis, Nino Sumayaw grabs the rebound. Ayan na.
Sumayaw using his body there to secure the ball for his team.
Yes, ayan na si Julius Vargas for 3.
Still no luck on the side.
Ayan na si Tiburcio. Outlets to Almario. Almario against Bare. Scores for 2.
Grabe. Grabe ang accuracy ni Almario.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Very
In and
calm.
out.
Very calm and composed talaga when he is attacking the basket.
Now Bare lab pass to the big man.
Habana over Aymar Sabayo. Misses the shot. Good boxing out on the part of Tiburcio. Ayan na si Lim.
Lim securing the ball.
And crosses the half-court line. Looking for his teammates. Binigay kay Julius Tiburcio. Tiburcio, sayang, hindi nagkaamuyan. Magandang back. Ano sana yan? Backcourt cut, kaso hindi lang. Nakuya o na-anticipate ni Almario.
Tama, miscommunication on part of Team Naga.
And
Naga City Mayor,
ayan na.
So I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mayor Nelson S. Legacion. Thank you so much. No, I think wala pang absent ito si Mayor sa lahat ng laro ng Team Naga.
And syempre
very supportive.
si Councilor Hernan Nieva who is watching, Municipal Councilor ng Sipokot. Magandang gabi din sa iyo, sir. And syempre sa ating mga officials na nandito sa ating venue, maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Thank you so much. Again, this is brought to you by Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurumpa. And that's Sumaya with a fadeaway shot. No good.
Sumaya with the Dirk Nowitzki shot. Ayan na. Mendenilla open for 3.
Favorite spot ni Mendenilla. Nothing but net!
Ayun na nga, partner talaga.
Firing the missile. No?
Tama ka dyan. Firing the missile as away Mendenilla. Net lang. Ayan na Vargas. Humihingi ng pick. Vargas against Jerome.
Grabe. Ang guards. Grabe with 5 seconds under.
Ayan na Almario against Bare. And he was hacked and fouled. Grabe, partner. Pero
Almario was thinking there, no, if ipapasa niya ba or ititira niya.
Tama ka dun, partner. Pero good defense pa rin on the part of Kashmir. Even though he committed a foul, but still, he challenges. Kumbaga, no easy 2 points on the part of Bare.
He stopped the easy 2 points. At least, on the line, no, there's a 50-50 chance that it will sink in. No?
Yes,
as we were saying, ito na.
As we were saying talaga, tama. Kumbaga, ayan na, binati natin at dinapasok ang free throw ni Jerome Almario.
Kaya pinasok ni ref para ayusin yung net.
Ayan na. Almario with his second free throw.
Tingnan natin if may bubuslo niya ito.
Misses both free throws in si Habana.
So commendable yung block na ginawa doon ni Bare.
Yes, tama. Good block on the part of Bare. Ayan na si Bare against Slim. May pick galing kay Habana. Bare.
But Lim anticipated the pick, so na-double team nila si
Gandang galaw yun.
Grabe.
And
reverse layup.
Ilista mo na yon sa ating top 10 plays of the week for sure. And syempre, kanina pala, partner, yung ating mga leading scorers on the part of Naga City. Si Bang Sablaon with 10 and Joe Mendenilla with 8 points. And on Milaor side,
we have naman Razon, no, with 7 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 block.
And after that report or information, nakascore si Aymar Sabayo ng 2 points. Ayan na. Si Razon challenging the defense of Tiburcio but misses the shot. Ayan na.
Pero grabe ang defensive rebound.
Ayan na, Vargas. Mendenilla again, top of the key three. Kaboom!
Another one! Dropping the bomb on the team Milaor. Grabe ang accuracy, partner. Hindi man lang tumatama sa rim.
Yan, tama, partner. Kumbaga, mainit dito sa ating venue, pero it's raining trees. Ayan na si Sumayaw with the veteran move. Grabe naman, partner.
Pwede din yung ilista, partner. Tingnan natin.
Nino Sumayaw. Talaga.
Against
maganda ang almusal, tanghalian at merienda ng ating veteranong si Nino Sumayaw.
Tama. Sumayaw, Razon, Bare, and Vargas carrying the team of Team Milaor. Now,
Ayan
Bare.
na si Bare again, attacking. Ang block by Julius Tiburcio. Grabe, partner.
Grabe, ito na yun. Dito na papasok yung psychological warfare. Ano, titira ka pa ba after having that
partner
rejection? Tingnan natin.
I've noticed talaga, there are trailing guys na Tiburcio and Mendinilla. Kung di naman siya nasapal ni ni Tiburcio, for sure, aabutin ni Mendinilla. And there is a foul. Medyo nagulat si Aymar on that sequence. Sabi niya, walang foul. Pero
despite the block made a while ago, umatake pa rin ang Milaor.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga, these young guns talaga with the likes of Bare and Razon talaga. Fearless pagdating dito sa loob ng court.
And that's the magic of basketball, no? You drop your fear and you penetrate and shake off your defender to attack inside the paint.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, go hard and go strong to the basket lagi.
Tama,
sabi nga ng mga coaches.
Or go home.
Yes, tama dyan, partner. And speaking of go home, ayan, kung sino ang uuwi dito na talunan. Ayan na si Lim. Swings the ball to Mendinilla. Again, 4-3. Airballs it. Ayan na si Vargas. Outlets to Bare. Bare waiting for his teammates against Jerome Almario. Bare may pick galing kay Habana. And was intercepted by Almario. Ayan na si Almario. And he was called for an offensive foul.
Ayan, mukhang nagkaroon ng momentarily confusion doon si Almario. Pinasa sa labas.
Pinasa sa ating magigiting na fans na nanonood. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagsuporta sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur na nanonood dito sa ating venue. And syempre, may mga kaibigan ako partner na nanonood sa ating live and Facebook. Ang aking anak nanonood, si Juan Carlos and si Franco Miguel. Nanonood sila. Magandang gabi sa iyo, mga kids.
Shout out ko din, partner, ang aking mga ka-work na laging nanonood. Si Mama Che, si Ate Polly, si Ma'am Shani, Ma'am Marian Sarnoy, and Ma'am Chelsea. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. And na-slide sa gilid din si Mendinilla.
And yun na nga, partner, medyo madulas sa bench side ng Milaor, and that is very dangerous talaga. So, kailangan doble ingat pagdating sa mga ganyang ayan na, another substitution. Medyo nasaktan siguro si Uwe.
Kasi, though sabi kanina ni Coach Tupe, no, if I'm not mistaken, ni Coach from Team Naga, focus lang sila per game. Pero kailangan mo din i-consider na mahaba pa itong tournament.
Yes, this is just their second game. Ayan na si Vargas. Swings the ball. Ayan na Vargas. Baseline jumper. And at last, sa wakas talaga nakabutas rin sa labas ang veteranong si Julius Vargas.
And as I was saying, kailangan mo mag-ingat kasi you are anticipating na makakapasok kayo sa semis and eventually sa finals.
Ayan na, Sabayo, double team and a pass. And good pass on the part of Aymar Sabayo. Grabe, partner talaga. Having Aymar Sabayo, dinoble team, and a cutting Julius Tiburcio. Sino pa ba ang pipigil sa dalawang yan?
Tama. Even Vargas was smiling.
Yes.
No, because tingnan mo dito sa replay, no, that shot is brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Smiling si Vargas, knowing the difference.
Ayan na, kumbaga wala na siyang mapupuntahan and na-final niya na lang. But still, that is a very strong move on the part of Julius Tiburcio.
And yan, so we have a timeout, no, in the 5 minutes of the third period. So makikita mo, despite Naga edging, some people were anticipating na matatambakan dito ang Milaor, but Milaor is showing that they prepared hard to face the powerhouse of Team Naga, the crowd and the tournament's favorite, which is Team Naga.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Councilor Hernan Nieva, who is watching talaga. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, sir.
Magandang gabi po.
And syempre, sa lahat ng nanonood sa ating game venue, magandang gabi sa inyo. And syempre, tayo magbabalik sa ating laro. Tama ka dun, partner. Yung observation mo kanina na Julius Vargas just smiled na lang because of that 3-point play na nakuha ng Team Naga.
Tama, no choice na. There was a physical disadvantage. And we have to commend the crowd of Sipokot, no, despite having no team to support. Andito sila for the love of the game,
Yes, maraming salamat talaga sa pagsuporta sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Ayan na si Habana attacking the defense of Naga City but misses the shot. Sablaon gives the ball to Lim. Aymar sa ilalim. Aymar with the left hand and scores for 2.
Napakaganda. No, he's the king of the rim, no, Naga City.
Tama ka dyan, partner. I've covered Aymar since his Albay days talaga. Kumbaga, he is a very deadly when it comes sa ilalim. He can use both his hands, left and right talaga. Ganun, ka-valuable o ka-veterano ay isang. Ayan na si Almario, flies and scores for 2. Grabe naman yung partner.
Kaya ang tawag sa kanya is Mr. Hang Time. Because lumilipad si Almario.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Bare. Looking for his teammates, gives the ball to Julius Vargas against Lim. Vargas
instructing his team.
Ayan na si Sumayaw against this veteran, Aymar. Sumayaw.
Nag-hesitate kung atake ba. Pero umatake pa rin kasi ganun siya katapang.
Grabe naman yung pinakitang galaw ng isang Ninyo Sumayaw over Aymar Sabayo.
Grabe. Grabe. No, without fear. And I think there was a problem on the technical team. So again, no, punong-puno po ang venue natin pero may mga spaces pa tayo dito. So kung gusto niyo pong manood, kung taga-Sipokot po kayo, punta po kayo dito sa ating venue. So kung makikita mo yung pagmamahal ng mga taga-Sipokot sa basketball, kahit sa gilid, punong-puno po ang ating venue. So kung hindi nyo naman po kami mapupuntahan dito sa Sipokot, live na live tayo sa Ako Bicol Online TV Facebook page at sa Facebook page ng ating butihing congressman na si Rep. Zaldico. At of course, Ako Bicol Cup YouTube channel. So like, share, and subscribe mga kasurog.
Yan na, Bare stops and pops for 3. Kaboom! Grabe, partner.
And napakagandang emphasis sa pangalan ng 3-pointer from Milaor, Kashmir Bare.
Sablaon. Gustong gantihan. Mintes, Almario with the offensive rebound. And nakuha ni Kashmir Bare. Bare.
Almario.
With the spin move. Bare attacking.
Scores for 2 points for Bare.
Grabe naman yung partner.
So that's a 5-point for Bare within less than 20 seconds.
Ayan na si Lim again. Gives the ball to Bang Sablaon.
Tingnan natin if Milaor will continue their momentum or mabibreak ng Naga.
Open for 3. Misses the shot. Rebound ni Habana. Habana is rushing against Bang Sablaon. Habana gives the ball to Julius Vargas but intercepted by Lim. Ayan na si Lim. Eye in the sky play sana. But the pass is too high for Bang Sablaon.
Tama, they were Lim, no, the captain of the Naga College Foundation, was expecting an alley-oop for his teammate Sablaon. No? So these two people are from the NCF with a 4-time defending title, no, as a champion in the collegiate league.
Very experienced in the collegiate ranks. Ayan na si Bare, also a standout of UNC. And ayan na si Vargas for 3. Kaboom!
Ito naman si Vargas.
Sabi na,
nailing the shots.
I was once also a standout or a collegiate ranks here in Naga City.
So that shot is brought to you by Highlands.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Sablaon gives the ball to Asuer. Asuer fakes for 3.
And without realizing, partner, no, that's a 3-0 nothing run and probably a 4-0 run. And that you expect a timeout for Team Naga. Grabe.
Yes, napatawag ng emergency timeout si Coach Luki.
That's a 10 points, partner.
Yes, a 10-0 run on the part of Milaor that cut the lead to 7 points only.
And looking at the scoreboard, no, kanina 2-digit yung kalamangan. And sabi mo nga, 7 points na lang. A single digit with 2 minutes remaining. Tingnan natin, no, if ma-stop ba ang momentum ng Team Naga o magpapatuloy ang pananalasa nitong Team Milaor. No, they are shooting inside and outside, no, making them unpredictable. So good tactics and very intricate strategy on the side of Milaor. So commend din natin ang mga coaches ng both team for creating this retext.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga hindi naman talaga basta-basta ang mga coach na meron tayo dito sa ating liga. Kumbaga, they are very passionate and love the game of basketball.
Tama, if we have veteran players, we have well-seasoned coaches
Tama
as
ka
well.
dyan. And syempre, yan na si Asuer, gives the ball to, with exactly 1
Lim.
minute and 55 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Tiburcio with the jump step, kicks it out to Lim. Lim against Bare, double team. Yan na si
Grabe ang,
Tiburcio with 9 seconds remaining. Lim kicks it out to Asuer. Fumbles the ball. Asuer with the Hail Mary shot. Ayan na si Bang Sablaon, spins, and he was hacked by Nino Sumayaw. Grabe yung sequence na yan, partner.
Yan, medyo unconvinced si Sumayo doon, but eventually he gave the ball to the referee. That's a good sportsmanship on the end of Sumayaw. So again, aside from the skill, the Ako Bicol Cup Series is developing the attitude of these players.
Tama ka dyan, partner talaga. Kumbaga, they have to be a good role model sa ating mga kabataan kasi we are watching sa live natin, kaya maraming manonood ng kabataan, and tama, para maging role model sa ating young aspiring players.
Kaya tama, magsikap yung mga nanonood nating aspiring players because we want to highlight here the prowess of the Bicolano players.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Malay mo, one of these days makapaglaro ka sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Siyempre, hindi lang to. Dito sa Camarines Sur, galing na tayo sa Albay. We will go to Cam Norte, Sorsogon, and siyempre, yung mga isla sa Masbate
at
and Catanduanes. Kumbaga, this is Ako Bicol basketball for you.
Tama, exciting, no? In the entire Bicol. And eventually, maglalaban-laban yung mga champions from these different provinces.
Yes, tama ka. Abangan natin yan. Siyempre, alam naman natin na talagang when it comes sa planning and suporta sa mga munisipyo at mga lalawigan, nandyan ang ating commissioner na si Lloyd Rivera para pamuno. And siyempre, sa ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico at siyempre ng Ako Bicol Party List.
Yan ang ating katabang na kasurug pa.
Ayan na si
Napakagandang
Julius.
tagline.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kaya tinatawag natin ang ating mga players, ang ating mga kasurog dito sa loob ng hard court. Si Julius Vargas makes his free throw. Ayan na, si Aureliano.
Aureliano now creating a play for his team. Signaling something to Lim.
Ayan na si Sablaon against Rason. Lim fakes, Tiburcio, baseline jumper. In and out, pero pasok yan.
Grabing accuracy, despite being the big man. And that we have seconds to play in the third period. Tingnan natin kung mababawasan ang kalamangan ng Team Naga with this play from Team Ilaor. Vargas asking for a screen, attacks the paint, and throws the ball into the air. But no luck. Grabe, sinecure na yung bola, pero good hustle on the part of Vargas to get the arrowhead on their side for the next arrow challenge.
Yun na, partner. Tingnan natin, may mga rini-review tayong mga referees, pero...
So yun na nga, the arrow was pointing. So good hustle on the part of Vargas there, despite Bulawan haging, Bulawan ba? Tama ba? Haging the ball.
Tama. Ayan na si Bare. Yan, may zone defense na pinapakita ang Naga City. Yan na si Bare against Sablaon. Vargas attacking. Vargas with the floater. And he thought he was fouled. Pero walang naitawag. Yan na si Sablaon against Bare attacking but misses the shot. Ayan na si Bare. Nagmamadali. Bare drops it up to Bermas.
Bermas nag-hesitate.
Yes, partner. Baga, partner.
Kumbaga, pwede mo nang itapon, pero nag-antay ka pa ng bantay.
Yes, partner. Pero Jamil Bulawan is a 6'4", 6'5" guy. So talagang magdadalawang isip ka. Ayan na si Rason. Attack. Ngunguyo na naman. Another one. But there is
maybe the idea there, partner, because of the gap, the insurmountable gap of Naga, kailangan lahat ng tira and one.
Yun na nga, partner. With exactly 10 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter, may hinihinging
i-replay kasi yun na, for our non-basketball fans watching here, pag ang bola pababa na, you cannot reject it or interrupt it because that would be goaltending. So you can only block the ball the moment it rises. Once it reaches the point na pababa na siya,
hindi na pwede. Ayan na, partner, tinitingnan na ating mabubuting at magigiting na referees kung talagang merong violation na nangyari kanina. And mabalik tayo dun, partner, sa depensa na pinapakita ni Jamil Bulawan talaga. Alam mo naman, partner, talaga height is might, kumbaga. Kumbaga, talagang advantage ang 6'4", 6'5" guys sa larong ito, especially on the defense side.
And the referee was signaling, no, it was a clean, good block. But there was a foul called on Tiburcio.
Yes, foul called against Tiburcio sa baba pa lang, but on the act of shooting, and si Razon will troop to the line for 2. Pero tama ka, partner, yung napag-usapan natin kanina na height is might talaga. And lamang na lamang ang Naga City pagdating sa height kumpara sa Milaor.
So grabe yung psychological damage na ginawa ni Bulawan on that run. No? 2 consecutive blocks. So if you are on the shoes of these Milaor players, mag-hesitate ka nang pumasok sa linya. So tingnan natin ang mental resilience ng mga players ng Milaor if they will continue to penetrate the paint.
Tama ka dyan, partner. A substitution on the part of Naga City. Pinasok si Sam Madridano, pinalitan si Tiburcio with 10 seconds remaining. Ayan na si Sablaon. Gives the ball to Aureliano against Barre with 6 seconds. Aureliano as attacking. Floats, flies, no good. Rebound ni Julius Vargas. Outlets to Razon. But naputukan siya. And that ends our third quarter with a score of 65-58 in favor of Naga City.
And ito na nga, partner, yung sinasabi natin kanina, this game is a game of unpredictability. Some people, no, naririnig ko kanina, they were saying, lalamang yung Team Naga ng around 20 to 30. But Milaor is showing that they can be at par with the powerhouse team, no, or the crowd and tournament's favorite. So tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari sa natitirang 10 minuto ng laro sa fourth and final quarter with Naga edging only with 7 points against Team Milaor.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. This is very unusual on the Naga side kasi I've covered several games ng Naga City talaga. Pagdating sa ganitong quarter talaga tinatambakan nila ang kanilang mga kalaban. Pero still, kudos to Team Milaor talaga for bringing a good fight for Naga City.
Tama, no? Who will be the king of this unfamiliar ecosystem, no? Who will be the predator preying on their prey? Tingnan natin sa natitirang 10 minuto ng laro. Napagandang bakbakan ng magkapit-bahay na munisipyo at syudad. No, Milaor is a stone throw away from Naga. So tingnan natin.
Talaga, partner. Talaga, partner, kasi I'm not used to be familiar sa mga lugar natin. Kasi alam naman natin, I am based from Albay. And para sa ating mga leading scorers on the part of Naga City, si Medinilla pa rin ang usual suspects with 14 points, 1 rebound and 2 assists, and si Bang Sablaon with 12 quiet points.
Dito naman, no, papalit-palit, meaning there are many players. So dito sa third quarter, we have Kashmir Barre with 15 points, 3 rebound, and 3 assists with 1 steal.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Sabayo. Sinil ka agad ng kanyang defender and using his left hand to finish for 2. And partner, mabalik tayo. Sabi mo nga, paiba-iba ang leading scorers ng Milaor. Pero that is a good sign, partner, because very evenly distributed yung scoring and ayan na si Sablaon.
They're playing good coordination. Just like this two, no?
Yes, kumbaga, just like the guards. Ayan na, partner, yung patented 3-guard lineup ni Coach Nuki with Lim, Sablaon, and Almario.
And if I'm not mistaken, itong tatlo na nasa loob are part of the Mythical 5 in their collegiate games.
Talaga, partner. Good to know
basta,
for that.
Basta.
Tama ka.
Almario being the season MVP and Sablaon being the finals MVP.
And Lim is part of the Mythical 5. Talaga, these guards of Naga City talaga are very strong compared to other guards. Yan na si Almario. Tinamaan ng butike. Binigay. Almario again regains the possession. Almario umangga sa number 7. Let's see. Good defense on the part of Mermas. Holding his ground against Julius Almario. Jerome Almario, rather.
So napagandang timpla ang ginawa dito ng Team Naga, no? 3 runners with 2 guards. So tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng Milaor. Our underdogs for today's Game 1. Vargas using his body, spins, and throws the ball. No luck.
Vargas, tinamaan si Jerome Almario doon sa paglusot ni Razon against Sablaon, and he was fouled and sa ating Rainbow Country. And he will troop to the line for a 3 shots.
An opportunity once again to lessen the lead of Team Naga. Mukhang mas nagiging exciting ang laro natin, partner.
Tama ka dyan. With this game is 8 seconds pa lang. 8 minutes pa ang nalalabi sa ating fourth and final quarter.
So sa mga nanonood sa bahay, no, you have to stay safe in your sofa. You have to tighten your seatbelt. No, kasi kita, no, baka mahulog kayo kung saan kayo nanonood.
Tama. Kasi ayan, nakita natin there is an injury on the part of Jerome Almario. Medyo tinamaan ata.
But there you have it, no, a good sportsmanship on Bare. Shaking the hand of Almario as he goes to the medic to check his injury.
And yun na nga, partner, sana hindi naman a serious injury kasi alam naman natin, ayaw natin yan sa mga players na mangyari yung magkaroon ng injury.
But again, no, these accidents occur kasi very highly competitive ang laro natin.
Yes, tama ka dyan with this kind of game na close game. Ayan na si Bang Sablaon, over. Ayan, Sablaon, drains the 3, over. Ninyo sumayaw, grabe.
You cannot leave these guards open, no, because they will hit you and they will hit you hard.
Ayan na si Bare. Vargas against Sablaon. Ninyo sumayaw against Aymar Sabayo. Ayan si
One-on-one sila. Spins.
Piso-piso move. But misses the shot. Sayang. Ang gandang galaw sana.
Tama, yun na yung tinatawag nating $1 million move but a centavo shot.
Yan na nga. And kudos talaga kay Ninyo Sumayaw for attacking the bigs of Naga City. And we have 14 seconds na nalalabi sa ating shot clock against Sumayaw, against Sabayo. Ayun na naman, muntik na makaisa.
Trying to regain his name for the third attempt.
Yun na nga, Sumayaw again misses the shot. Sayang ngayon na si Sabayo, over. Ginugulo ni Julius Vargas.
But good hustle on the part of Sumayaw. Snatches. And again, to reclaim his glory.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Kumbaga, he is rewarded on that shot kasi talagang yung hustle and effort niya sa loob ng court talaga hindi mo matatawaran.
Tama. And with that, no, we only have a 10-point lead with 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for our game.
Yes, partner, this is just a anybody's ball game. Sablaon misses the shot. Ayan na si Vargas. Vargas against Medinilla. Behind the back.
Napagandang dribble. Prowess yun.
Sayang. Sayang naman, partner. Siguro 2 to 3. 4 years ago talaga. Kung tinira na yun, pasok niya si Medinilla. Top of the key 3. Misses the shot. But Aureliano grabs the offensive rebound and was hacked by number 24 na si Ninyo Sumayaw.
And very good handling yun. On the end of Vargas. Knowing na pag nasa laro ka, mahirap i-execute yung mga pinapractice mong dribbles.
Grabe yun, partner. Napahampas ka pa sa lamesa. Doon sa galaw na pinakita ng isang veteran Julius Vargas.
Because that's how exciting our ball game is.
Yes.
Atid sa inyo, of course, ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List.
Katabang nakasurog pa. And ganon kagaling ang ating si Dol Julius Vargas, and muntik na makuha ni Aureliano ang kanyang free throw. Ayan na si Bare, guarded by Aureliano. Hands it off to Vargas, pointing to his veteran na si Ninyo Sumayaw. Ninyo Sumayaw again over Aymar Sabayo, and he is feeling it, partner.
Usually sa mga gantong team, merong isang center, no, merong isang highlight, pero dito all around ang players ng Milaor. You never know who will be, there's an action. You never know who will be shooting. I never know who will be making the points.
Ayun na nga, medyo nagkagirian din on that sequence. Lumipad si Medinilla, sinabayan, at nung pagbaba, nagkaroon ng medyo konting lambingan.
Lambingan lang to sa ating mga player. Kasi nga, again, as we keep on saying, this sport is very highly competitive. So, normal yung mga ganong physical contact. But we have the professionals SVP, no, to check what happened there and to give the appropriate sanction.
Yes, syempre headed by ating butihing commissioner na si Commissioner Eman Faraon, who is always na on hand sa ating mga laro and give instructions sa kanyang mga referees.
Tama. So, we cannot really question because these are the best referees in the region.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Even sila pupunta rin sa Albay just to cater ng mga games na doon sa Albay leg ng ating Camarines Sur. Ay, ng ating Ako Bicol Cup.
Bata pa lang kasi ako, Sir John, no? Nakikita ko na to. Parang hindi ko naman sinasabi mga matatanda na to. Pero no, with experience and training.
Tama. Bata pa tayo, halos magkaedad lang siguro tayo.
Lamang nga lang ng isang taon sa akin, Sir John.
29 ka, ako ay
23 ako, Sir John. At 24 ka ngayon.
24 ako, tama ka dyan.
Batang-bata pa.
And the score is 73-64 in favor pa rin sa Naga City with 6 minutes and 33 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. And again, meron pa tayong second game. Labanang Lupi versus Nabwa. Talaga, this is an exciting ball game pa rin. And syempre, kung wala silang ginagawa sa kanilang mga tahanan, pwede silang pumunta sa ating game venue na napakaganda at napakaaliwalas na venue and to witness the games between
Foul number 24
Lupi and Nabwa.
Nino Sumayo, and a technical foul of number 27 of Team Naga, Owi Mendinilla.
Alright, so there was a foul called on Sumayaw, a regular foul, and a technical foul for swaying his elbow, I think. No, and another elbow there. We can see on the review.
And yun nga partner talaga, natawagan ng foul si Nino Sumayaw and Owi Mendinilla natawagan ng technical foul because siguro sa kanyang second motion and si Bare pinasok ang technical free throw. And si Owi Mendinilla will troop to the line for 2 because nakakuha siya ng foul kanina over Nino Sumayaw.
Tama, and the ball was theirs. So these motions are based on the FIBA rules. So yeah, no, the Ako Bicol Cup is at par with our national leagues.
Yun ang partner. Yun naman talaga ang ating aim talaga is to compete and to be at par sa national level. And eventually, makapunta tayo sa malalayong lugar just to cater yung mga laro ng Ako Bicol Cup.
And tama, no, eventually we can never know. One of these players maglalaro na sa Barangay Ginebra.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga,
prestigious teams.
Tama ka dyan. Kumbaga, ito naman talaga is a one big platform para sa ating mga manlalaro. Malay natin, may mga big schools or big companies na makadiscover ng mga players and makapaglaro sa ating mga big league sa Manila.
Yan, thank you so much kay Congressman Saldico. Ako, Bicol Party List. And with that, Kashmir making a runaway 2 points.
Ayan na si Bare. Talagang inaatake ang depensa ng Naga. Ayan na si Owi Mendinilla. Gives the ball to Aureliano. Ayan na si Vargas. Was hack siya. With Sabayo. And
second personal foul, third.
grabe partner. Babad na babad si Julius Vargas. Pero he committed his second personal foul pa lang. And we are now in the fourth quarter na, partner. Kumbaga, that is good defense on the part of Julius Vargas.
Tama, he's playing safe because once he's eliminated, that would be a big disadvantage on the end of Milaor.
Yes, talaga yan ay good shooting touch on the part of Sabayo.
Tingnan natin.
Making 2 of 2.
If Milaor can cut the lead. And kung makikita mo, bantay sarado ni Sablaon si Vargas. Acknowledging is good ball handling and good scoring prowess.
Ayan na si Razon. Bare, jab steps. Bare gives the ball to Vargas but intercepted. Habana with the layup but in and out. Rebound, nakuha ni Razon. Razon for 3. No good. Rebound by Owi Mendinilla.
Sayang napakagandang
Mendinilla with the sidestep and flash for 2.
Elista mo na yun!
Yes,
That
partner.
shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
And Bare gustong gumante and trains for 3.
Grabe! 3-point shot brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Grabe, nagit-gitan ang labanan at napatayo si Sir John.
Yes, we have a ball game partner with just 8-point lead from Naga City. And si Mendinilla fakes against Razon.
Walang hingaan to sa ating mga audience. Ito na si Lim, attacking the paint against
Drops
Olans.
it up to Aymar Sabayo. And that is Alexander Lim giving the pass to Aymar Sabayo for the finish.
Very aggressive. Ang dalawang team maximizing the use of the time. Vargas now driving, quick pass inside, and a bounce pass to the big man.
And what a good two-man game on the part of Milaor. Grabe partner. Ito na, gumaganda na. At medyo nagiging exciting na ang ating laro ngayong fourth quarter.
At kitang-kita sa mga mukha ng ating audience na pati sila nalilibang. Kaya kung magde-date man lang kayo, punta na kayo dito.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Sablaon against Bare. Gives the ball to Mendinilla. Swings the ball to Lim. Fakes against Sumayaw. And he was fouled by Nino Sumayaw.
Sumayaw now acknowledging his good attacking and defense is now in his third personal foul, if I'm not mistaken. Fourth na. So he's on a warning for exclusion already.
Sablaon takes the 3, misses the shot, rebound, nakuha ni Habana. Binigay kay Vargas.
An opportunity to lessen the lead. Vargas now driving the
Ayan
ball
na si
against
Vargas.
3.
Drops it up to Razon.
What a dime sana.
Misses the shot. Ayan na si Medinilla against Habana. Medinilla fakes. Fall away jumper. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Almario. Squeeze in and 1 plus the foul.
Almario showing a very good game. So as Almario will be trooping into the line, puntahan muna natin si Jessa para sa kanyang report. Jessa, take it away.
Well, thank you, Coach John and Coach Jalo. Team Naga has so much advantage for this game. However, Team Milaor really know how to handle this ball game. As Coach Dennis of Team Milaor said, bago magsimula ang game, he wanted the team to just do their best. And that's what actually we can see now. The resiliency on their spirit really reflect on their performance as they are not letting Team Naga na patuloy lumobo ang kalamangan. Kaya naman in this period, every ball possession is crucial for both teams. Kaya nagiging aggressive na ang mga players. That's the latest from the courtside. Back to you, Coach John and Coach Jalo.
Yes, maraming salamat, Jessa. Sa report, ayan na si Barre against Lim. Drops it up, kaso napunta. Ayan na si Owe Medinilla. Owe Medinilla, grabe yung sequence na yun.
Tingnan natin, no? Sa tamang-tama yung report ni Jessa. Very aggressive na ang ating mga players. So tingnan natin kung ano yung call na itatawag dito.
Ayan ang partner, hindi nagustuhan.
And with a hand motion, I think it's unsportsmanlike foul.
Owe Medinilla, second personal foul, third team foul.
Tingnan natin. Parang wala.
Sportsmanlike foul, number 10 of Team Milaor, Bernard Habana.
Ah.
And his third personal foul.
So after that call, nire-review muna.
Yes, nire-review ng ating magigiting na referees. Kasi meron kaninang violation na tinawag pero hindi natin alam kung ano itatawag. And then, kita natin siguro, Owe Medinilla was ta kanina. And I guess narinig ko sa ating arena announcer na nagkaroon ng unsportsmanlike foul kay Habana.
Kay Habana, partner. After that engagement, he siguro on impulse, medyo pumunta siya on the action.
Ayan ang partner yung sequence kanina.
Ito.
Owe was fouled. And
yun.
Yun na nga, binigyan ng konti.
Konting lambing ni Habana. So, yeah, thank you so much sa ating tech team, no? Na ang IMBC for quick review.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Headed ang ating direktor na si Christian Calleja. Magandang gabi sa inyo.
At ang ating mga sniper cameraman.
Yes, staff and crew.
Walang makakawala.
Ng IMBC, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ayan na, Sablaon with the reverse. Kaso nakaabang na si Razon. Ayan na si Razon. One-on-one against Lim. Razon.
Spins.
What a spin. And the
left
hand.
na din yun!
And the left hand. Grabe naman yun, partner. Napakagandang galaw. The spin, the hoop, and the arm. Kumbaga.
Tama. Maximizing his jumping ability and then the length of his hand. Nakaka-impress talaga yung mga player na kayang tumira with their right and left hand.
Ayan na si Razon with the rebound. This is just a 10-point lead with 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Sumayaw all alone for 3. Sumayaw. No good. Rebound ni Vargas against Almario. Vargas.
Against 2. Good hustle on the end of Vargas. Grabe.
Grabe talaga yung puso na pinapakita ng isang veterano, si Julius Vargas. And he has a chance to cut the lead to 8 points. And grabe, partner, with 2 minutes and 24 seconds. This is anybody's ball game, partner.
Tama. And after several days of fighting, I think this is the only game after the game with Kamaligan na medyo malapit yung score. So mukhang nahihirapan and grabe yung effort na binibigay ng Team Naga just to secure their win for this game.
Tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Julius Vargas trying to cut the lead again to a single digit. Kaso na mintis ang kanyang second free throw.
But still, that's only a 9-point lead, partner.
Ayan na si Lim. Gives the ball to Owe against Razon. Owe kicks it out. Sana kay Almario. Kaso
There was a
natawag.
foul called.
Natawagan ng foul si number 13 na si Razon. And I guess both teams are in the penalty situation, kaya free throws will be awarded to Uwe Medinilla.
And this is a good opportunity as well, no, for Team Milaor to stop the time if they have to. Kasi 2 minutes na lang ang natitira sa ating laro. So tingnan natin kung anong strategy ang gagawin ng Team Milaor dito to close the gap between Naga and them.
And Uwe misses the first one. And ayun na, tingnan natin ang second free throw ni Uwe kung may papasok. In and out, nakuha ni Didio Sumayaw ang defensive rebound. Binigay kay Julius Vargas. Outlets to Bare. Bare crosses the half-court line. And we are nearing sa ating 2-minute mark sa ating fourth quarter. Ayan na si Bare. Gives the ball to Vargas. And good defense on the part of Jerome Almario. Interrupting that shot of Julius Vargas.
Vargas, no, parang meron siyang unlimited supply of energy. Kanina pa siya babad na babad. Not mentioning that very physical yung ginagawa niyang laro. So it's exhausting.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre, di mo rin matatawa na meron tayo dyan mga ginagawa ng mga players na hindi nakikita sa stat sheets. Kumbaga yun ang binabayaran. Kumbaga yung leadership ng isang Julius Vargas talaga is very evident sa larong ito.
Tama. And the connection on that blob to Sumayaw, no, kaso na-foul siya. So Sumayaw, no, moving his hand to secure probably his first attempt.
Ayan na, Sumayaw makes his first free throw, partner. Ayan na.
That's a good sign.
Kumbaga, this is talaga a good sign on the part of Milaor. With 1 minute pa nalalabi sa ating laro, may 8-point lead lang ang Naga City.
So, kailangan nilang ma-secure ang rebound kung hindi papasok. Pero yan, with that Zion, I doubt.
Ayan na si Almario.
Almario making use of the time properly. So, sa mga gantong kalamangan, napakagandang ankle breaker yun. Shakes of Habana. But there was an action on the side.
Grabe. Grabe naman, partner, yung manggaan ng mga guards. Pero what a crossover on the part of Jerome Almario. But again, a foul was called and Lim is in the line.
And kailangan din natin i-komento, sir, no, it's a very good gesture sa mga player kapag tinawagan sila ng foul, you have to raise your hand and sometimes show how many fouls do you have. So, kanina pa si Vargas, ganun yung ginagawa. Itinataas niya ang kamay niya with a finger showing how many fouls, no, recognizing his own
Yes,
fault.
that is a Julius Vargas for you. Kumbaga, veteran, alam na nila ang gagawin sa loob at labas ng court. Ayan na si Lim.
Sa mga players natin dyan, no, ganun po dapat kapag nasa loob tayo ng court. Okay, even though we are hesitant with the call or we disagree with the call, we have to be good sport inside the court and even outside. Grabing pressure ang binibigay na depensa ng
ayan na,
Team Naga.
Ang team manager ng Naga City na si Sir Chano talaga. Talking to the referees na may tinuturo siya. And with 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter, lamang ng 10 puntos. And what a pass sana. Kaso,
sayang,
nabitawan. Nirason ang bola.
A no-look pass on Vargas, no? This guy keeps on amusing us with his unpredictability.
Ayan na si Almario wasting clock against Bare.
Almario once again showing his good ball handling.
To Lim, swings the ball to Bang Sablaon for 3.
Sablaon with his favorite position. Grabe naman to si Sablaon.
Yan na. Bare is double team. Kaso, naagaw pero na-recover ni Habana ang bola. Habana, ginugulo ng dalawang naka-blue shirts. Ayan na si Vargas with a crossover and the spin. Against 3, but loses the ball.
Sumayaw is there. Habana with a jumper.
Misses the shot. Ayan na. And I guess that is the time is on the side of Naga City.
Because we have 30 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. Sablaon wants to add insult to the injury but didn't connect even though his players or his teammate are asking na don't make the shot. No, and I think Milaor accepted their defeat.
Yes.
But this is a good game well played, Sir John.
Yeah, and 2 points for Jamil Bulawan adding the lead.
Grabe, no? Adding insult to the injury. Kasi there was a conversation between him and Habana there.
And that ends our game, ladies and gentlemen, with a score of 91-76 in favor of Naga City. What a good game, partner.
Tama, partner, no? Unexpected. No, kanina naririnig natin yung mga pag-uusap that there will be a big score difference, no, between Naga and Milaor. But no, Milaor showed their heart and they played their heart right.
Yes, partner, maraming salamat talaga. And again, sa ating mga late tuners, again talaga, gandang laro kanina ang na-witness natin. And syempre, magpapakilala ko, ako pa rin si John Bachiller with my partner is
Angelo Espinacilla.
And syempre, maraming salamat sa Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Syempre, brought to you by Congressman Saldico and ang Bicol Party List. Partner, marami tayong candidates para sa ating kasurog, best player of the ball game. Marami. Para sa Team Naga talaga. They showed, despite the small lead na ipanalo nila, very unusual para sa Team Naga. Pero naitawid pa rin nilang panalo.
Tama. Ano, and again, we can never tell if sino ba talaga ang kasurog best player of this game. Yung mga Giants ba natin pushing their way through or yung mga shooters natin running like a wind throughout the game. So, sino sa tingin mo, Sir John?
Marami. Ayoko magbanggit kasi
Kahit nga ako.
talagang bigay na bigay yung mga guards, especially yung big man talaga nila who experienced from the start talaga sila nag-umpisa ng tempo para sa Naga City.
Tama. And for our viewers, maybe you were wondering, no, medyo bias kami sa Milaor. No, it's not. Kasi napakagandang showing to ni Milaor. No? Kasi Naga, given the powerhouse, is expected to dominate this unfamiliar territory. But Milaor, no, give their best to give a good game.
Nagpunta Milaor dito, hindi lang para matalo ng basta-basta. And they gave a good fight talaga over Naga City.
Tama, usually, pag mga ganito yung kalaban, binibigay na nila eh. They will rest their best players, tapos paglalaroin yung mga bench warmers. Pero hindi. They give their best players and give their best game to us.
Tama ka dyan, partner. At syempre, maraming salamat sa pumunta sa ating venue dito para ma-witness ang mga games natin. Partner, meron tayong second game po, partner.
Yes, we have the game, no, the second game for today's doubleheader, Lupi versus Nabua. Pasalamatan din natin, Sir Jan, ang ating mga sponsor. We have the Mercedes Bay, Cagraray Island.
Highlands, Hotel St. Ellis, and syempre, yung Hotel Venecia.
So,
maraming salamat.
po.
And tingnan natin yung mga highlights natin. Kumbaga yan, yung kanakanakang score na binigay sa atin, yung Uwe Mendinilla. And syempre, maraming salamat sa ating mga officials na nagpunta dito sa ating Municipal Covered Court. Talaga, maraming salamat kay Mayor Nelson Legacion for visiting here.
We know Attorney Nelson is very busy, but he find time, no, just to support Team Naga.
And syempre, partner, batiin ko na rin ulit ang aking mga kaibigan at mga brothers from Albay Basketball Community na talagang walang sawang sumusuporta at nanonood ng live sa ating mga laro. Magandang hapon sa inyo, mga brother.
Ayan, batiin ko na rin ang aking mga kaibigan dyan sa San Rafael, Cararayan, Naga City. So happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
And happy viewing din sa aking mga constituents dyan sa Barangay Kawit East, Washington Drive. Magandang gabi.
Ayan, salamat. Ako Bicol Cup for this opportunity, to have a shout out.
Partner, kumbaga this is our first time na nagkaroon tayo ng on-cam. And siguro, naging proud din sa atin ang ating mga magulang na nakita tayo sa...
Kaway-kaway kay mama, kay papa na nanonood ng live.
But partner, this is just the first game ha, partner. We will have a second game pa. And
so pwede siguro, Sir Jen, no, yung mga nanonood natin, mag-dinner na muna kayo. Just right after your dinner, eventually, we'll have the second game, which is a very exciting ball game din, no? Lupi versus Nabua.
Yes, kumbaga, a powerhouse Nabua City over the pesky and high energetic guards ng Lupi. And we-witness natin kung anong magiging resulta sa ating second game.
Very exciting kasi these again, no, are the bigat 10. Meaning the top 10 among 36 teams.
Tama.
These top 10 eliminating 26 other teams.
Tama, top 2 teams of each district talaga advances sa ating second round. And for sure, sa mga susunod na laro talagang maganda ang papakita nila. And bago bigay na natin sa ating courtside reporter na si Jessa, ang ating kasurog, best player of the ball game. Jessa, take it away.
Well, thank you, Coach John and Coach Jalo. Now with me is the Kasoroga player of the game from Team Naga, jersey number 22, Bang Sablaon with 20 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal. Congratulations for being our Kasoroga player of the game. Team Naga remains undefeated simula pa ng elimination round. At but we can't deny the fact na pinahirapan din kayo ng Team Milaor ngayon. Anong part sa game na ito ang na-challenge ka?
Siguro po na-challenge kami sa sa defense kasi parang nagkumpiyansa kami and sa sarili namin parang naglousy kami yung sa last few. Tsaka medyo malas siguro sa sa pagod din siguro na larong-laro.
Yes, but I would like to commend how you defend being undefeated team. So may gusto ko pang pasalamatan or i-shout out sa inyong mga supporters for their all-out support sa team nyo. Especially to Mayor na andito po pala siya.
Opo, unang-una po nagpapasalamat kami kay Mayor Son Ligacion sa walang sawang suporta at sa mga nagsusuporta po sa Naga City. And siyempre, binabati ko rin po yung family ko and mga teammates ko, coaches, Team Naga, and sa family ko po. And advance, happy birthday sa lola ko sa June 5, si Lola Liliana sa Manila. Binabati ko yung mga family ko sa Pulangi and yung jowa ko si Mayo. Hi, May.
Ayan, congratulations once again to our Kasorog player of the game from Team Naga, Bang Sablaon. Keep on tuning in mga Kasorog because we still have another intense matchup for this night coming from our bigatin, Team Lupia versus Team Nabwa.